And another box, it genuinely does not turn on. I think this is gonna be a no. Absolutely. Would I use this though? Like, what is this? This is like 3 years old. I'm gonna regret not getting one. COVID on the planes and she forgot that I existed. But we have a lot to... We have a lot to do today, and I mean a lot. If you don't know the news, you haven't read the title, you haven't seen the thumbnail, you don't really know what's happening, we're moving out, bitches! And I'm so excited, the birds are so excited, like we're gonna have our own space, our own TV. Why is that the first thing I say? I don't know. But we do not officially move in for another month yet. We still have some time to just chill, get everything organized. What's happening? What's happening in the little bird world? Oh, that's screaming. You know what? It's fine. Whatever. Like my own kitchen, my own bathroom. Like, I'm so excited for this chapter of my life. Like, holy moly. I've literally been waiting for this since I was a fetus. I literally popped out of my mum's tummy.
C-section represent.
And I was like, I want a house. Like, people have such big dreams of, you know, traveling and having kids and, you know, doing all this other stuff. But I had the biggest and best dream of owning a home. Like, that was my one goal of life. You know, like that was my purpose. Our plan is we don't want to move in straight away when we get the keys. We want to do some renovations and some touch-ups and kind of stuff. But that's not going to stop me from packing my life away into little boxes starting now. So that is what the journey is going to be today. I need to go get some wrapping bubble... What? I need to go get some wrapping...
I've done it again. Oh my god.
I need to go get some bubble wrap. So I'm gonna get out of my dressing gown. I'm gonna pop the girlies in the sunshine because it's such a gorgeous day today. You wanna go in the sunshine? Come on. Do you wanna go in the sun? Come on. Recall is terrible, girls. Right. You ready? Okay, let's go. This is their favorite time. Like, look how quiet they are. Favorite time of day. Love it. Anyway, let's get out of my dressing gown and let's... I just said you were quiet. They're embarrassing me. I don't even know where to look. I'm confused. It's a white cabbage bowl. I already have one of them, but now they're on clearance. I feel like I need to get two because I'm gonna regret not getting one. I still haven't found the bubble wrap, by the way. Look at those cups. They are so... Oh, look at that one. That is so cute. Okay, the flamingo dispensers are super cute. Strawberry toilet brush holder.
You're joking.
Look at those strawberry ones. There's so many strawberries. I found the bubble wrap. Woo. You're joking. That is so cute. I don't need it, but that's calling my name. Okay, I should probably get out of here before I buy something else. So let's go. Okay, got my bubble wrap. I have these 2 boxes. I have 1 box of random stuff and another box of just all the decor and things that I have been collecting for my future home over the years. I've been doing this for like 5 years now. I've just been collecting... I am so out of breath, holy moly. I've just been collecting like random bits and pieces to take with me in the future. And obviously my style and a lot of things have changed in the last 5 years. So I just want to go through it and see if I actually want to take it or not. And if not, I'll just give it to the thrift store. I'm actually just realizing now that I probably don't even have to bubble wrap this. I can just leave it in the container. I don't need the boxes. Yeah, that makes so much sense. What am I doing? What am I doing? First of all, we've got some flamingo salt and pepper shakers. Yes. Also got some lemon salt and pepper shakers. And be able to switch it up, you know. I really love lemons of the minis, so this is a yes. A little Monstera tray, can use it for so many things. We'll be keeping that. This, it's kind of like filthy in a way, and I'm really using this opportunity as like a really good fresh start, you know, clean slate. I don't want to have to really deal with anything. I just want to like go in there with fresh new cool decor that I love. I don't particularly love it, so I'm gonna put that in the no pile. This is a heat pack that you can like wrap around you. I think this will come in handy, and it's cute. It's like boucle, so instantly yes. This is also a little heat pack. It's in the shape of a moon. It's so cute. We'll be keeping that. Bird sculpture that was from my original room. This is like 8 years old. I've had this for like 8 years. This is crazy. Do I like my little bird? Yes, I love my little bird. We'll be keeping my little bird. Oh, these are like little candle holders. We'll be keeping them. They're so good for a party. Bean plant. This will come in handy. Yes. I've forgotten about all of this stuff. This is crazy. A golden monstera stand. I mean, the house does have gold hardware. It would make sense to keep this. I just don't know if I truly like it. I think it's a little bit tacky. I don't really know. I have so many other things. I think this is gonna be a no. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that, but I feel like it would come in handy for like a party or something. I don't really know. I'm keeping it though. Oh yeah, this is a jewelry holder. We'll be keeping this. This is sick. A little vase. Yeah, we'll keep that for sure. Hell yeah, we will be keeping that. This is a runner. I feel like this will look so good somewhere, so we'll be keeping that. I don't particularly love this vase anymore, but I can't get the flowers out. Like these flowers, they are separates from Pillow Talk, and I just can't get them out no matter what I do. It's going in the maybe pile slash possibly no pile. A little bean plant that my birds have absolutely destroyed. Like look at this little, look at this little thing. That is destroyed. I am gonna put that in the no pile. This is a very old candle. It's so dusty. Yeah, I'm gonna give that away. That's so fine. This is a stand for something. I don't even know where the pot has gone. So that is a no. Do I love this? I don't think I do. I don't like that. That's fine. This is like old Kmart. We love that. And by old Kmart, I mean like Kmart 3 years ago. Would I use this though? Like what is this? What do I actually use this for? I don't even know. I don't think so. I don't think so. Everything about this, yes, I love that. Some little coasters. These are cute. We'll be keeping them. Oh, some pink scissors. Yes, I originally thrifted these 4 plates. These are just gonna be such cool little plates for Tyler and I to have. And it is wrapped in a linen pillowcase, so we'll probably use that somewhere along the lines. All right, so we have a big wobbly glass vase. I do really love that. It just needs a good clean. My old mirror that I happily replaced with like a little flower. I think I'm gonna give this away. I feel like someone else would appreciate this more. I think I'd prefer it in a different color. I don't know how easy this would be to paint. I don't know if I can also be bothered. And I have so many lamps to already take with me, so I feel like this is just gonna be clutter that I don't really need, so I will give that to someone else. Okay, massive throw. Love this throw. We'll be taking this with us. The fun thing was when I worked in retail, I worked in a bedding store, like a linen decor kind of store, and I've collected a lot of stuff from that store, and I was very grateful that I worked there because I got some goodies. Oh yeah. We have 2 pink flower candles. We'll be keeping them. They're not my favorite scent in the world, but I feel like if I really wanted to, I'm just gonna melt all of this, get rid of it, and then put in a scent that I like. You know what I mean? Like a bit of DIY candle making, because this doesn't smell that great. That smells amazing. I feel like I don't really need this though. Like there's too many candles here for a girl who doesn't use candles. What would I use this for, guys? What would I use this for? Currently, it is filled with bird seed and dander and a bit of poop. I just really need to clean this. Like, what the fuck? Why have I packed it like that? I'm gonna keep that. I just need to give it a clean, because what the fuck? Oh, look, another candle. I actually really like this candle, though. Now, this is really nice. I feel like this would be great for a picnic. The only problem is my birds have gone to town on it. Like, they have destroyed this. It looks horrible. I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna get rid of that. Now, this is a lamp I love. This lamp I will be keeping. That is an instant yes. Okay, this is like a gingerbread candle for Christmas. It smells amazing. We'll be keeping that for Christmas time, which is like now, but it's almost Christmas. It's crazy. We have this amazing, gorgeous, stunning, beautiful set from Kmart. I will be keeping it. This is so beautiful, and they've stopped selling this at Kmart. Like, why have they done that? Disco lamp. I love this. I'm keeping that, obviously. Do I like this vase, guys? Yeah, it is giving sad beige, baby. I do love this. Like, this is a wall hanging plant thing. Like, genuinely, what am I gonna do with this? That is going to someone that's not me, because I don't know what the frick I was thinking. It's like a little canister. You get these from Kmart, but I only have one. It would not be good for the pantry or anything, because that's not airtight at all. I'm gonna give this away. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that. And then this is like a little tissue box holder, only for small tissues though. So I need to get a small tissue box and have it so the tissues come out. This is so cute. I'm keeping this. I just found these vases that I also need to put in here, but there's gonna be lots of stuff around the house that I've just forgotten about. Like these vases, completely forgot they existed. But like, I just have random decor everywhere. And I need to slowly start packing it into boxes, not straight away because we still are not moving for another month, but I would still like to kind of have everything all together. And I just feel really sad about packing everything up. Okay, this place literally scares me. It's just, I can't wait to have a bathroom that doesn't look like this. You know what I mean? Like, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But anyway, we still have to deal with the bathroom that looks like this because this is full of my shit. Not literally, but like, it's, you guys knew that. I didn't have to re-explain that. So I'm going to be putting the stuff that I'm keeping in this bad boy, and then anything that's expired, gross, empty, whatever, will be going in that bag there. So cool. This is my tanning mitt. We'll be keeping that. This is like a back tanning mitt. We'll be keeping that. I need to clean that though. It's gross. This tanning mitt can go. These are empty. They're just gradual tan that I have not refilled. This is fine. It's exfoliator. A little bit of tan left. I will keep that. Toner, keeping. Toner, also keeping. This is my like ride and die tan. It's empty though, so. Dry shampoo, that is 100% expired, so. Oh, these are all expired. Yikes. Also disgusting. That needs to go. I didn't realize this was in here as well. I will be using that. That's rubbish. Funny story about this. This is dry shampoo, my favorite brand, but it's for dark hair. It leaves like a dark, which would make sense for my regrowth right now, but it leaves like a dark residue. Like, this is like 3 years old. This needs to go. When did I purchase this? No, I have no idea. I got it from TK Maxx though, and I have not been to a TK Maxx in like 3 years. I can guarantee that. 2 facial mists from my favorite tanning brand. I will be keeping them. Oh, that's for my ears, my ear piercings. They are healed and happy now, so I don't need them. Empty dry shampoo. That's going. Oh my god, that's so old. What the hell? I worked with this brand back in like 2022. This is so expired. Yikes. This is also expired. So much expired stuff. Dermalogica. Oh my god. I had a Dermalogica phase in like 2021. It's been a very long time. That is so soft. Oh my god, this is stuck to the... Ew! It's got like glue or something like that. Was stuck to the bottom of this. I don't know what that is, but this is super duper expired. Just the stuff I know I'm going to use in the next couple of weeks while we're still in this house, I'm just going to put back in here, and everything else I am going to put in the box because there's no point in it clogging up the space. We really got to think about this stuff because this junk pile cannot come with me, okay? This I use all the time. I love this, so that's a yes, keeping. This is a keep, absolutely, but I do low-key want to replace this in the future. It was just a $20 curling barrel from Kmart. I do love it, but you can't adjust the setting, the heat setting. And I'm pretty sure the setting it goes up to, and like you cannot change it. It goes up to the setting no matter what, 270 or something. Like, it's like the max killing my hair kind of heat, and I can tell my hair is getting fried from it because it has a smell to it, and I'm just like, I just think this is a bit hectic, you know? It's gonna fry my hair off before I know it. I really just want to get a curling iron with a clamp that allows me to choose the temperature. Oh, now this is great. This is from Kmart, and I love this. This actually dries my hair. It's amazing. So we'll be keeping that. What is this? Oh, a gua sha. I will be keeping my little gua sha. I do love that. Don't need the box. Oh, this is my old straightener. It doesn't work. Like, it genuinely does not turn on. Why am I keeping this? I do not know. A wide plated straightener from Kmart. Once again, I do love this, but in the future, I do want to get a better hair straightener that doesn't fry off my hair. So we'll be keeping this for now because it's like the only straightener I have. This is a thermal brush from Bondi Boost. It's unfortunately not my favorite thing in the world. Like, there's other things I'd prefer using. So I think I'm gonna try and get all the hair out of this and then donate it. That's broken something. I think this was a nose hair trimmer. That's broken. Okay, that's gotta go. Oh, there's a bunch of tans in here I haven't even used. Like the B tan and the Kmart tan. I'm curious to try that. I will be keeping them because I want to try them. That is empty. Oh wow, this is old. This is like 5 years old. That's crazy. The body butter and the sugar scrub. I think that's great. I'm gonna keep that. That's like, I feel like I'm going shopping. Wow. The raspberry and vanilla though, I feel like I can re-gift that. I feel like that's a cheeky little re-gift. We love that. I don't know if you guys can see that. That looks stunning. This is from Kmart. It's a new tanning mint. Hell yeah, I'll be keeping that. Hand and body wash, body lotion kind of thing. These are kind of cute bottles though. They're from Kmart, but I feel like I can use these bottles. This is not like tidy and clean, but it's pretty good. This is empty, which is amazing. Like this was full, guys. This was full. This is the stuff I will take with me. Now, my favorite part ever, we're gonna go do the mugs. Okay, welcome to my kitchen. Apologies if you can hear the birds in the background because they are out here with me. I'm gonna pack a little bit of my kitchen stuff in this Bunnings box. I've actually done it upside down. Like this is the top, this is the bottom. I think we'll be fine. Before we get into the mugs, because there's so many mugs, I have a couple of things here that I'm going to bubble wrap and then put in there. So we've got cabbage bowl. We also have a pink one. Where's the pink one? It's in here. I really want to get a couple more of these. You get them from the reject shop, and I just think they will be such good little pasta bowls. You know what I mean? Like they're the perfect pasta bowl. I then have these two massive cabbage bowls. These are just really good to have. Like we've been using this for a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna pack it away. I got this from Robert Gordon like years ago, and I love it. I don't want to part with it, so we're gonna pack that up as well. Monstera leaf thingy that I got from the thrift store. This was like $1 or something, wasn't it? $4. Then I'm just gonna pack this up as well. We used this for my birthday. It was the perfect cheese board. Like it was amazing. That doesn't need bubble wrap, so I'm just gonna, you guys cannot even see, but look at that. That is too many mugs for one person. Like what? Oh, I need to wrap these up as well. Super cute. The reject shop honestly slaps. It's doing so well. Lemon mugs, absolutely. They will be going in the box. Strawberry mugs, obvious, yes. The one cherry mug. Yeah, why did I even think about that? These are little tea mugs, absolutely. I definitely want to get into drinking tea when I own a home. I can start now, but I just feel like fresh environment, fresh habits, you know? This is coming with me, absolutely. Why is there so many mugs? This is crazy. I've got another cherry one, hell yeah. These can all pretty much stay here. There's a few up there that need to get washed, but that just means we use them all the time. So they're gonna stay until we properly move. Glasses, I think we can keep all of these here as well. We go through our glasses, it's crazy. Okay, Slay, that was a lot easier than I anticipated, but I just want you guys to hold me accountable, okay? I don't want to see me buying any mugs in the future because I already have so many. Okay, if you guys see me purchase another mug in the future, I want you to personally come over to my house and punch me in the face. I mean, in the future, of course, let me have some leeway, you know. New house, I'm gonna have to buy a new mug or two. But if I buy any more, kick me, because I am not allowed to buy more than 2 mugs. All right, that's it. That's what I've done so far. I've decided I am just gonna keep one little strawberry mug out because I will want to drink out of it 100%. Okay, I sat down for 1 millisecond outside in the sunshine, and now I just want to go do that for the rest of the day. And I think I've pretty much packed up everything I possibly can for now. Next week, I'll probably do a little bit more deeper diving. I've got to do the linen closet. Putting that off completely, that's daunting. I need to do my wardrobe. That's a huge one. That's going to be a whole different video. But yeah, now that I've touched the outside world, I just want to go spend all my time out there. So that's what I'm going to do. I've completely logged off for the day in terms of packing, sorting, organizing, decluttering, and I just want to go outside. Okay, I just want to touch some grass, I touch some sunshine, and I really appreciate you guys for coming along on this journey. I would not be able to do this without you guys, by the way. Like, none of this would be possible. All of your comments, all of your love, all of your beautiful wise words for me, none of that goes unnoticed. Like, I see every single one of your comments. I'm really bad at replying to them. I need to get back into replying to you guys properly. I'm just so bad at it right now. I'm sorry. But trust me, I see every single one of your comments and I appreciate every single one of you too. I love you all. If you've gotten this far in the video, you've watched the whole video, I want you to put a pink emoji down below in your comments. And yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy the outside world now. So I love you guys. I'll see you in my video on Sunday. So bye.